Good morning, everyone. So my name is Sekhar Reddy, Senior IIT NEET faculty. So today we are going to discuss about the intensity of electric field due to a uniformly charged rod. Due to a uniformly charged rod. In previous section, so same concept will explain due to a electric field strength due to a uniformly charged rod, but axial line. Here we will discuss on equatorial line. Here electric field strength due to a uniformly charged rod on equatorial point or at the equatorial point. Equatorial point. At equatorial point. So now consider like this is uniformly charged rod of length L. So your charge is distributed linearly, that means linear charge distribution. Now we'll draw the one perpendicular line from the center of the rod. So this point, this line is known as equatorial line. Equatorial line. Our aim is to find the intensity of electric field at this point. The distance considered from the center of the rod or so. Let Q be the total charge distributed through the conductor of length L. Throughout the conductor of length L. Suppose if it is like this is total, if you are assuming total charge considered at this point, that is taken as point charge, we know that due to the point charge, E is equal to how much? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Epsilon naught Q by R square. Q by R square. But in this case, this formula is not applicable. What is the reason? Charge is distributed throughout the conductor. Charge is distributed throughout the conductor. This is applicable only point charge. Only point charge. But here charge is distributed. Linearly charge is distributed. So that means this formula here not applicable. So this element read on. C is the center of the rod. This is dividing so many small units. Like this is small element of thickness dx. The charge on the elemental rod, let me dq. Elemental rod is dq. Like this is center of the rod. Our aim is to find the intensity at this point, at point P. So here, electric field due to only dq, that means distance considered from this point to this point. Okay, now center of the rod to this point, the distance let be, or center of the rod to this distance let be x. So here x is base or is height. According to Pythagoras theorem, this value r square plus x square. R square plus x square. So here electric field due to elemental charge, point charge q by r square. Here electric field due to small element, that charge is dq at this point. Here electric field we have to find out EP. At this point EP. So Before this one, intensity element due to dq, small element. That intensity element dq. The direction away from the charge. So here dE makes an angle theta with vertical direction according to resolution of vectors. dE is having two components. Here angle makes vertical direction with dE cos theta along this direction. dE sin theta. dE sin theta. Same element considered along this direction. It is same distance. The direction dE here, this is also resolving two component dE cos theta for direction, dE sin theta this direction. So dE sin theta, this dE sin both are of the direction is cancelled. So now here basically intensity attribute due to small element. E at point P due to small charge. Small charge. dq is dA. dA is equal K. K means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Your charge how much? dq. What is the distance? This one. So this one, the mean square is there. So r square plus x square root r square plus x square whole square means remaining only r square plus x whole square. R square plus x, r square plus x square root. After whole square, we'll get this value. Only this is dA due to the small element. Small element. But linear charge distribution, linear charge density, that means total charge by total length. Total charge by total length. So here, linear charge distribution for small element, lambda, dq by dx. Now dq is equal lambda into dx, where lambda value what is q by L dx. Q by L dx. In this equation, dq value substituting dE is equal K Q by L dx by r square plus r square plus x square. So this is only dE value. dE value. Now dA sin theta will be cancelled. Will be cancelled. E will get integration of dE cos theta only. dE cos theta only. Totally. So by at this point, intensity electric how much? Let EB is equal to total electric field. So therefore EP is equal integration of dE cos theta. Integration of dE cos theta. Here integration. Integration, this is dividing two limits of the length. One side L by 2 plus L by 2, other side minus L by 2. one lower limit minus L by 2, upper limit plus L by 2. So from this equation, dE value how much? dE value KQ by L, KQ by L, dx by x square plus r square, x square plus r square. Okay. X square plus r square. Here cos theta is there. What is cos theta? Cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side. Where what is adjacent side? Or hypotenuse mean x square plus r square. X square plus r square. So therefore, EB is equal integration minus L by 2 plus L by 2 KQ, is it R? So remain term how much? dx by this value a power 1 by 2. After simplification, x square r square whole power 3 by 2. Whole power 3 by 2. Whole power 3 by 2. Let be equation 1. Let be equation 1. From figure, tan theta is equal, from figure, theta here, tan theta opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta is equal to x by r, x is equal or tan theta. On integration, with respect to theta, dx by d theta is equal, r is constant. What is the reason? Particular distance. D by dt of tan theta. Here dx by dt is equal, or derivative of tan theta value how much? Secant square theta. Secant square theta. That means dx is equal or secant square theta into d theta. So let me equation 2. Equation 2. Equation 2. Next to your dx value will find it. Dx value how much? This one. Next to this value how much? X square r square 1 over 3 by 2 is equal. Where what is the x? X value, this one, x is equal r tan theta from this equation. X is equal to r tan theta, now substituting. R tan theta, r square tan square theta plus r square whole power 3 by 2. Here r square common. Tan square theta plus 1. Tan square theta plus 1 whole power 3 by 2. So we know that tan square theta plus 1 or 1 plus tan square theta value, how much? Secant square theta. tan square theta plus 1 is equal to how much? Secant square theta. R square secant square theta whole power 3 by 2. Whole power 3 by 2. So this is equal to how much? This is applicable to both R. So here R power 6 by 2 R cube. Secant power 6 by 2 secant cube. R cube secant cube theta. R cube secant cube theta. Therefore, x square plus R square whole power 3 by 2 is equal to how much? R cube secant cube theta. This is equation 3. Now, from equation 2, dx is equal to R secant square theta. But from equation 3, x square plus R square whole power 3 by 2 is equal to how much? R cube secant cube theta. R cube secant cube theta. Now, equation 1 and 2, substituting the equation, sorry, equation 2 and 3, substituting in equation 1. Now, equation 2 and equation 3, substitute in equation 1. Therefore, EB is equal. Here K is constant, that value 1 by 4 by epsilon naught. Q is constant, total charge on the uniformly charged distributed conductor. Here length is constant, R is also constant. How can you say that R constant from center of the conductor to a particular point? So this will be common. K Q R by L minus L by 2 plus L by 2. Where what is dx? Dx value substitute in this one. Or secant square theta d theta by next to this value. This value how much? From equation 3. R cube secant cube theta. So here R cube cancel. That means remaining R square. Here R is there. 1 by R remaining. Here secant square theta, secant cube theta. Secant square get cancelled 1 by secant theta. Therefore, EB is equal K. R here, R square here, R get cancelled, remaining LR here minus L by 2 plus L by 2. So here R is cancelled already. So secant cube, secant square. So that means remaining 1 by secant theta. 1 by secant theta value we have to write cos theta d theta. Since 1 by secant theta is equal cos theta. D theta is already here. Now integration of cos theta value how much? Sin theta. So integration of cos theta value. Sin theta. Now limits we have to apply here. Minus L by 2. So from figure, in previous case, from figure means sin theta is there. From figure, sin theta is equal to opposite. Opposite means x by hypotenuse mean r square plus x square. R square plus x square. X by r square plus x square plus L by 2 minus L by 2. So here substituting lower limit, upper limit plus L by 2 by under root of r square plus L by 2 whole square. L square by 4. In formula we get minus. Next lower limit substituting. Lower limit means minus either minus or minus plus. That means here L by 2 plus L by 2 under root of r square plus x square. X square value is 1. So opposite here both times. That means we'll get k cube by LR is equal 2 into L by 2 under root of r square plus L square by 4. L square by 4. Here 2 to get cancelled. L will get cancelled. EP is equal to 2 to get cancelled. L will get cancelled. K cube by R. So this is LCM 4 r square L square. Here cube 4 outside 4 inside the root 4 outside 2 is there. That means 2 by under root of 4r square plus L square. 4r square plus L square. Now substituting this value. EP is equal to K value how much? 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q by R Q by R 2 by under root of L square plus 4r square. This is formula. Okay, so this is formula for intensity of electric field strength due to a uniformly charged rod on equatorial point. On equatorial point of Q by 1 by 4 by epsilon Q by R of 2 by under root of L square plus 4r square. So here we know that this is total charge on the total charge of the conducting rod, total charge of the given rod, R is equal the distance we will consider. So L is equal to constant, and that means only a variable like this point it changes. So total EP is equal to how much? That depends on charge of the rod. So distance considering next to length of the conductor. Okay, thank you.